Hey guys, so as promised, I will be doing a makeup video today, just doing my daily makeup glam, my routine, sharing my favorite Sephora products that I use daily. And this video is right in time for you guys to shop the Sephora spring sale happening right now. I believe tomorrow, so April 19th at midnight is the last day where you can save from 10% all the way up to 20% depending on your membership at Sephora. So I'll be sharing with you my Sephora favorites using the products that I use every day to get a no makeup look. Natural radiant finish is what I'm all about. So before we get started, make sure you are subscribed to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and all the products that I'll be using today will be linked down below for you guys. And now let's get started. All right, so first comes skincare, and I am obsessed with and can't live without this Lancome Youth Activating Serum. And it's just magic in a bottle. If you're in your 30s and you have skin issues, fine lines, skin hyperpigmentation, skin tone, skin texture, this helps with all that. It's great for daytime and nighttime. I've seen such a difference in my skin. I do have breakouts. Usually I have clear skin, and I think it's because of this guy right here. Magic in a jar. A little pricey, but the Sephora sale is a great time to stock upon this. So I've already applied this onto my face, gone in with my moisturizer, so my skin is nice and prepped. Next comes eye cream. Now, if you're in your 30s, it's a great time to start investing in an eye cream. It's just gonna help smooth the fine lines, any wrinkles, help to really hydrate your skin under your eyes. The Origins Refreshing Eye Cream, it brightens and depuffs under my eye, and I have been loving this. I've seen such a difference. It completely diminishes my puffy eyes and just brightens. It has this light tint, and I love how it looks and makes my under eyes feel. And just a little bit goes a long way, and it has this light tint, so it almost color corrects. And you see that? It instantly has like this brightening effect. It has a slight tint. So on days where I don't want to wear any makeup, I can just put on my sunscreen, my skincare, and then apply some of this and maybe a little concealer, and I am good to go. Next, for primer. Now, I have oily skin, and especially during spring and summer, I get extra shiny, and I can't go without using a primer. And my favorite is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I am actually running out, so I'm gonna be stocking up on this, but I do have a sample size that's a full bottle, so just gonna be using this, and it's great if you have large pores. I usually have really large pores here around my T-zone area, and it just helps to just cover it all up and blur it all up, and really great to just give you this flawless, smooth base. I think my foundation goes on so well. And next for foundation, my two favorite foundations for oily skin. The first one is the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better Foundation Plus Skincare. And then I also really love the NARS All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation. And if you have oily skin, if you like sheer, light, medium coverage foundations that have a buildable formula, these two foundations are great for oily skin. Today I'll be using the IT Cosmetics one. I just love this for just a daily wear. If I'm not doing anything, I'm not going anywhere, I just like to pop this on my face just to look somewhat put together, just a light sheer coverage foundation. For concealer, I'm almost out of this Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Concealer, but I'm kind of leaning towards going back to my Radiant Creamy Concealer from NARS. I just think the formula for that concealer is just so great, and it's great under your eyes for fine lines and wrinkles. It just doesn't crease. This one, I feel like it tends to crease more during the hotter months. So I'm gonna be buying the NARS Creamy Concealer. I will link it down below for you guys, but for today we'll just use this. And I like to blend in my concealer using the Sephora angled sponge. I prefer this sponge compared to the Beauty Blender. I just feel like it's more dense and it's more stiff, so it really blends in and smooths out my foundation without soaking in all the product, and it's cheaper than the Beauty Blender. So after my concealer's on, I go in with my translucent loose powder. I love this one from Laura Mercier, and I'm almost done, so I have to purchase more from the Sephora sale. But I go in to kind of just powder around my fine lines and my T-zone to lock in that concealer in place, and just go in with my sponge again and just buff in the powder. And next, for my daily quick makeup glam, I don't really like to contour as much, but I do like to go in with my bronzers. I use two bronzers, but first is the Hoola bronzer by Benefit, the real OG right here, and go in with this stiff, sort of like a straight, dense bronzer brush, and just kind of apply it onto my jawlines. And then I like to go in with this Fenty Beauty Instant Warm bronzer and just apply this to my cheekbones to add color and to warm the face up. And it is the most beautiful, natural color and finish. And it gives you this really pretty, subtle, soft, bronzy look, and I just love it. And now for my blush, I like using the Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush. This is in the color Partey, the prettiest, natural, pinky, soft, rosy blush. Great for every day, and so I really like how it gives you this muted pink look without any shimmer, any sheen. Just a really pretty soft blush. Now, I love a good highlight. I love that glowy dewiness for spring and summer, of course. And my favorite are the Becca Glow Silk Highlighting Drops. And this highlighter is amazing. Now, a lot of people might find liquid highlighters intimidating as compared to powder highlighters, but you won't know the difference until you transition. And Becca is known about their highlighters, and this one will not disappoint you. It's great for that seamless, natural, light highlight, but you can also build up the intensity for a bam, pop-in highlighter. And I'll show you how this works. I just kind of like to pop it on the high points of my cheek. And you can see that it's quite intense, but you can kind of just keep buffing it with your fingertips until it melts. And it gives you the most beautiful, subtle glow, almost like a glow from within. And also go in with a sponge and just kind of buff it for a more seamless look. And I mean, look at that. Highlighter be poppin'. My next favorite product for brows that I use is the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil. And I just lightly kind of just fill in my brows and shape my brows. But look at the difference, my goodness, who am I? And next, to finish off this makeup look, I like using the Tartelette Toasted Palette. For my eyes, I don't like doing a whole lot for an everyday glam. I just like to use a neutral, natural, something on the lighter colors for all over my lid, and then just a medium brown, orange tone color for around my crease, just to really have that natural lifted eye look. And next for mascara, I have always loved Benefit mascaras, and I have recently been fond of the Bad Gal Bang mascara for that volume and length. But on my Sephora shopping list, I have added to my cart the Magnetic Lash by Benefit. I'm gonna insert a picture and leave a link down below for you guys, but that's really supposed to lift your lashes, which is what I need. I need the volume, the length, I need it all in my mascara. So I'm really leaning towards that. Reviews for that mascara are amazing, so I'm excited to purchase that product. I'll leave a link to all of it down below. Look at the volume and the length it gives me on my lashes. It's buildable formula, it doesn't clump, it fans out your lashes, spreads them all out and makes them long and wispy, also gives me some volume. I really like this mascara. It doesn't smudge, it doesn't clump or lump. Really love it, so I'm excited to try out that Magnetic mascara as well. So I'm gonna finish off the other eye and be right back. And now to finish off this makeup look, we're moving on to lastly the lips. So I have a couple of lip favorites from Sephora that I know you'll all love. First we'll start off with the lipsticks. So I love the Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks. Now I have the most sensitive lips, so if you suffer from a dry, flaky, cracked lips, you know, you've tried every formula out there, trust me, convert to Charlotte Tilbury. They have the most smoothest satin-like finish formula. It's so comfortable. Even their matte lipsticks are so comfortable to wear. And I love a couple of colors. I have Very Victoria, I have Wedding Bells, I also have their OG, the Pillow Talk lipstick, and they're just great, perfect, neutral, muted pink and bronzy shades that look great on every skin color. And I'm gonna be wearing, let's wear Very Victoria. That feels so good on my lips, so comfortable, hydrating, satin-like finish, great to wear all day. And now moving on to lip toppers or lip glosses. My two favorite ones is this Buxom Lip Plumping Topper or a gloss, and then of course the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bombs. These are amazing to wear as is for just a natural everyday go-to look, or sometimes I like to just kind of pop it on top of my lipstick and it looks amazing. I'll try the Buxom one on for you guys. I love this formula. It's so creamy, so smooth, just like the Fenty one, but the added benefit is it instantly has this tingling sensation onto your lips, kind of like plumps them up, makes them supple. The Fenty Gloss Bomb also has that same effect without the plumping sensation, and they both kind of make your lips look so much fuller, have this nice shine to them. They're so luxurious and thick. I feel like for spring and summer, a setting spray is a must-have. So I usually have always used the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. It's great. And this is the final finished look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this chit-chatty makeup tutorial. I'm no makeup artist by any means, of course, but I love this signature glowy, dewy, natural makeup look of mine that I do on a daily and pretty much to any event too. I think it comes more so with age where less is more, and I like to look natural, and you still have makeup on, of course, but it just looks natural and just effortless and still chic, and you're radiant and youthful and glowy. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will link everything down below where you can shop from the Like to Know It app. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Drop me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And also follow me on Instagram for some daily fashion, beauty inspo. And yeah, don't forget to shop the Sephora sale that ends tomorrow, April 19th at midnight. Use the code OMG Spring to save. And yeah, I hope you have a great rest of the week. I will see you next time. Bye.